planning a trip somewhere remote with patchy signal, or maybe you're hopping on a flight. Ever wondered if your Monzo card will actually work when you're completely offline? It's a really common question, and it gets to the heart of how modern digital banks like Monzo operate. When you use a traditional bank card, often the transaction has to go online for instant authorization. That's how Monzo gives you those real-time notifications, which is great, until you have no signal. But here's the interesting part. Monzo cards, just like most modern debit cards, do support offline transactions in specific situations. Think of it this way. Your Monzo card has a small internal limit for transactions that can be approved by the chip on the card itself, without needing to talk to Monzo's main servers right there and then. This is designed for those no-signal moments, places like the London Underground's payment system, paying for duty-free on an airplane, or sometimes a quick chip-and-pin transaction where the merchant's terminal is temporarily offline. So, if you're stuck without Wi-Fi or mobile data, your card is not completely useless. The physical card is designed to handle these small-scale, unavoidable offline payments. However, there are a couple of crucial things to understand about these offline options. First, the limit is usually quite small. Historically, Monzo has mentioned a limit on contactless offline spending, and there are limits on total unauthenticated transactions. This isn't an unlimited safety net. It's designed for small, essential purchases. Second, your card's balance and transaction history won't update until you connect to the internet again. When you get back online, all those little offline payments are sent through to Monzo, and your balance is updated. This is why you might suddenly see a flurry of notifications appear when your phone gets signal back. The takeaway? Monzo doesn't offer a specific product called an offline card. It's a feature of the standard debit card and the MasterCard network. For everyday transactions where connectivity is non-existent, your card has a contingency built in. But for checking your balance, moving money between pots, or managing any card settings, you absolutely need the internet and the Monzo app. The physical Monzo debit card is your only offline option, handling those small, pre-authorized offline payments when no signal is available. Just make sure you've got enough money in your account before you go offline, as the card will still attempt to draw from your actual balance when it next syncs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.